Helly's new parts are here.
Wow, they look great.
Helly, you don't look happy. Is something bothering you?
No, I'm all right.
Huh? Yes? Rescue team, this is Jen. How are you, Cece? What's going on? What? There's an accident at the port? All right. I'll send the team over right away.
What's going on, Jin?
Terry is hanging off of the pier trying to keep from falling into the sea. No time to waste. Everyone, to the port.
Right away!
Oh, just like I thought. They left without me.
Helly, I'm sure they want you to go as well.
How?
Your new parts. I'm not sure how fast I can install them, but I'll do my very best. Without you being there, it's not the same rescue team.
Jin! Oh!